Hi everyone, Fred Golding, GQ Home Team at Remax First Choice. I hope everybody is having an amazing summer. And even though we are right on the footsteps of fall, it is still warm enough to get out there and enjoy that good weather. I do have some great information for you today. For all of my clients who have or are potentially going to finance anything, whether it's a car, mortgage, whatever it could be, I have a great website for everyone in case you don't already know about it. As soon as you apply for credit from any of the credit boards, those credit boards are now opening up some of that information to other creditors that can pre-screen you and give you offers of finance. So the good thing is that you could potentially get other really good deals, but if you have already selected the company and person you want to finance with, these can eventually get kind of irritating because you're getting a ton of phone calls. The most I had recently was 27 phone calls in one day, and it was just people from all over the country that had my cell phone number now. So this website is optoutprescreen.com, and I am going to share this with you right now. Here's the website, optoutprescreen.com, and you can actually basically put your information in here to hide it from those other creditors. So you're opting out from your information being shared to these other creditors. You can opt out for 5 years. You can permanently opt out by mail. I did just opt out by 5 years. I would say, good tip, do this before you apply for any credit, before you apply for any loan. Once you've made the decision that that's the company you want to work with, great, go ahead and opt out before you actually apply with that company. Because then as soon as you hit that submit button, I swear it is minutes. Your information goes everywhere and everyone else is going to have some of that information, at least enough to know that you have tried to apply to finance something, and they're going to want to try to steal that business and try to get your business as well. Steal might not be the best word for that, but try to intercept that business between you and the person or company that you've applied for credit with. So this is a great resource. I certainly wish I would have done it prior to applying. And that also gets into some other really good information. We are not moving. We are still going to be where we are. But certainly there's been an investment opportunity for us, and we're going to share that with you certainly once the settlement happens. So we've got some good things in the works. Anyway, hope everyone is doing really, really well. And that website again, optoutprescreen.com. And if anybody has any questions, please feel free, get in touch with me. Any questions about the market? Yes, things are changing. However, we are still appreciating here in the Mid-Atlantic. That is the latest numbers, latest figures of what's going out there by the National Association of Realtors. So it's still a great time to sell. It's still a great time to buy. We're seeing less offers. So instead of having 30 offers to sift through, we now have about 3 to 5, I would say, on average, as far as selling a property goes. For buyers, you can get back into some negotiation. You still want to put your best foot forward overall, but sometimes, that price, it could be timeline. Not everything is price. Sometimes the sellers need a little bit more time to get out of their house, or they need some other options for that too. So we've had some clients make some success with that also. Again, in closing, have a great day. Have a great evening. I hope to speak with everybody very soon.